Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming storage space and internet stability so uploads won't fail. Open Google Drive in Chrome or the Drive desktop client and locate the folder you'll use. This reduces sync conflicts. Drag the video file into Drive or choose New File Upload. Once the transfer begins, monitor the progress bar and pause other heavy network tasks to keep upload speed steady, because upload retries slow down if your connection fluctuates. Once the upload completes, you manage who can access the video and how. Right-click the file and choose Share, then add recipient emails for direct delivery or enable link sharing for broader access. Make sure to select Viewer if you only want streaming access, because that prevents accidental editing. If privacy matters, set link expiration or disable download where available. Finally, use Send to notify recipients or copy the link for manual. You finish by sending the link or emailing access directly from Drive so recipients get immediate notice. If recipients need a local copy, remind them about Drive download limits and suggest using Drive for desktop to sync the file. If anything goes wrong, slow upload, stalled transfer, or permission errors, clear your browser cache, sign out and back in, or try the Drive desktop app. These steps fix most auth and caching issues quickly, so you can resend the link.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.